Now watch what happens here now. What I want to work with today is rhythm, coordination, memory, balance.
Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me,
Doubles.
they want to be close to you. Why do stars fall?
It's about opening up new pathways in the brain.
Just like me, they want to be close to you.
Gotta sing now. Singles. I think rhythms is sort of the glue of life, because the first thing you experience is your mother's heartbeat. You breathe in rhythm, and then you really go into the universe. Everything is about rhythm. We have our seasons. We have the sunrise, the sunset, the waning, the waxing of the moon, migration of birds, spawning of fish, harvesting of crops. All these things, it's all about rhythm. Ting, 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 ting.
Boom, 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 boom. Ba, 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 ba. Shake, 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 shake.
Boom, clap, tick, clap, bang, clap, shoom, clap, shoom, clap, bang, clap, tick, clap, boom. 3 gunga, 6, and awesome. 3 gunga. Oops, excuse me. Okay, this time we go 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. Hey, shake, boom, shake, da, boom, shake, boom, hey, shake, boom, shake, da, boom, shake, shake, boom, 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 shake. That's no big trouble. We're gonna make line dance now. Dang. You can use it for Parkinson's, stroke, senior citizens, and elderly people in homes, young children. I mean, there's no end. Autism. Anyone, it will help anyone who tries it. And you have fun. Yeah, beautiful. Look beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It was very good. It would make it more tourist something.